Just bought the first LCR tweezer with dual mode. Few minutes quick guide. Test all kinds of components. Beginner-friendly tutorial. Even total beginners can use it easily. Appearance overview. 2 buttons on the front. Charging port on the top. Side rotary knob for control. The ST2 comes with a Kelvin clips. Switch between tweezer and Kelvin clips freely. First, remove the tweezer tips. Just pull gently to remove. Then align the connector and insert. Charging port is on the top. Use the included cable to charge. Press and hold to power on. ST2 has 4 functional modes: LCR, scan, sort, voltage, setting. Click the rotary knob. Enter the LCR measure page. Very easy to use. In auto mode, for SM'd components, use the tweezer tips. Clip both ends of the component. The screen shows real-time measurement values. No need to change ranges for other components. You can also measure on-board components directly. Scroll the rotary to switch test ranges. Press the rotary to switch. Test frequency adjustment. Supports 100 Hz, 100 kHz. Press again. Adjust test voltage. Supports 0.1 volt, 1 volt test level. For through-hole components, just switch to the Kelvin clip. When using, clip both ends of the component. Black is the negative, red is the positive. Push the rotary left, hold for 1 second. Adjust secondary measurement. Resistance, capacitance, inductance, impedance. Push right, hold 1 second. Adjust reactance, dissipation, quality factor, theta. Press the menu button. Enter the dual display mode. You can clearly see measurement in series and parallel modes. Press again to return. Long press the menu to enter selection page. Select scan. Wait for a while. It will measure parameter changes at different frequencies. Turn the rotary. Switch to resistance measurement, inductance measurement, capacitance measurement. Press the rotary knob. Switch test voltage range. Use the rotary knob. Scroll left or right to change the test voltage. Return to the test menu. Select sort mode. Select this 470 microfarads capacitor. Set nominal value to 470 microfarads. Tolerance 20. Connect the capacitor. Green display shows the component is good. Red display shows the component out of range. Finally, test voltage. Use the tweezer tips. Connect directly to battery terminals. The screen shows real-time voltage. Press the power on/off, hold data. Enter system settings. The first item is language. Switch between Chinese and English. Next is measurement speed. 2 options, fast or slow. Startup interface. Set the power on startup interface. Here we choose LCR measure. Now you can see, powering on goes directly to the LCR page. Next, screen orientation. Set according to hand preference, or choose auto rotate. Next, screen brightness. Adjust with the rotary. Next, volume settings. Auto power off. Calibration. We demonstrate with short circuit calibration. Short the 2 clips together. Wait for the progress bar to finish. You can also use the included resistor reference board. Calibrate other resistance ranges, or use 10 volts for voltage calibration.